Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
This is a baked potato. This is some ground beef. These are pickles. That's American cheese with a little olive oil, mustard, ketchup, salt, pepper. I can't wait for this one. Mike Foster here. How you doing? This is a cheeseburger baked potato, and it's going to taste just like a cheeseburger and a baked potato together. I'm not kidding. Watch how easy this is to make. It's delicious too. First thing we're going to do is just carve out the middle of this. It's a little hot, which is good. All right, look at the cap just coming off. Baba. It's kind of perfect, I hate to admit it. And then let's get some more of this stuff out. Like this. All right, there you go. A little olive oil in there for moisture. There's that ground beef. Hamburger. It's hamburger meat. We're going to put that in. Drop it while it's hot. I just made that up. Next we take this American cheese. Oh yeah, the only one to do. Lay it on top. I'm going to nuke this for 30 seconds. I'll be right back. Now you're going to take this and you're going to slice it open and expose it like thus. Oh, that's gorgeous. Put a little salt on it, some pepper. It's a cheeseburger, so cheeseburger's like a little ketchup. At least the ones I eat do. A little mustard and some pickles. There it is. I'm gonna dig in, take a big bite. And there's the close-up, yeah. So I should just dig in just like this. What do you think? Yeah. Oh, I gotta get some of the beef. There it is. It looks good, but it might be crazy to eat. All right, here comes the bite. There it is, a little of everything. Oh, the mustard ketchup combines with that American cheese and pickle, and the potato. It tastes just like a cheeseburger and a potato. Oh. Check out all my recipes at Live Life 365 and keep trying different stuff. This is a fun one. I invented this one. And it's a sweet little baby babu. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Live Life 365, and all that good stuff. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Man, this is good. I'm not kidding. Because I lie most of the time. I'm serious. Sweet bamboo. Hot. I took a bite of it. You see it? Of course you do. Quit asking. There we go. Take a bite for the cup. Can you hear it? It's nuking. It's almost ready. Nuking. Cheeseburger potato. The mustard is just fighting for attention with that ketchup. The pickles hanging around. The ground beef says, hey, I'm important. And he continues to talk to himself till his wife comes in and says, honey, you're crazy. I say, I know. Do it for all you guys. And the sweet bubble. Goodbye.